Check out this 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4.3-liter V6 engine, automatic transmission, bed length, 97.6, clock, in radio display, daytime running lights, dusk sensing headlights, engine hour meter and front seat type, split bench. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.